Uglalotak, Kanuit Pizzi. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others. And let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Today, let's talk about some coping strategies. Can anybody guess what coping strategies are? Coping strategies are skills that we use to deal with our emotions. For example, when somebody feels tired, if they stretch or drink water, that helps them deal with their tiredness. Adults drink coffee to deal with their tiredness. So when you have big emotions like feeling angry, frustrated, or feeling really sad or upset about something, there are some coping strategies that we could use to calm ourselves. One of the coping strategies that we're gonna focus today is called finger breathing. As you can see in this picture in front of you, you focus on the outline of your fingers while you breathe. So let's practice. When you breathe in is when you go up. So it's like, and then you breathe out is when you go down. Breathe in, breathe out. You can close your eyes when you do this deep breathing exercise. You can do it, you can repeat this breathing exercise once, twice, maybe 5 times if needed, till the time it helps you relax and helps you feel better. Try this exercise today if you feel overwhelmed or angry or worried or upset. See if this exercise helps you relax. Yesterday, we talked about a way of communicating effectively during a conflict. Do you guys remember what that was? That was using I statements. Here are a few examples. Let's read them and see how we feel about these. One is blaming statement. It sounds like, "You never call me. I guess we just won't talk anymore." I statement sounds like, "I feel hurt. When you go so long without calling, I'm afraid you don't care." Which of these statements sounds good to you? Let's practice with our partners. Here is a scenario. Your friend always cancels your plans at last minute. So recently you were waiting for them at the beach when they called to say that they couldn't make it. How would you feel if your friend canceled your plan when you're waiting at the beach for them? Maybe frustrated, maybe angry. Use I statements and discuss it with your partner. This is a kind reminder for all the students that gym list would be enforced on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at Oktoberfest. So students who want to attend the games, make sure you guys are not on gym list. And student athletes who are playing in the Oktoberfest must not be on the gym list either. I hope you guys have a great day today. Happy learning!